Well, when I think of dodo birds, I actually think of the cartoon The Flintstones. Do you remember that from
Yeah, I
like
do
years
remember that
ago?
show. Yeah, after
Yeah.
school.
So, and I don't know that they were really real. So that's why I ruled that out automatically in
Finches
my
sound
head.
more real, don't they?
They do. They do.
Well, I
They
think
do.
dodos were real, but they got extinct. But anyway,
Right.
let's continue on. In a tradition inspired by the Bible, a sabbatical leave is usually taken once every how many years? 5, 7, 9, or 10? If you have a sabbatical, you go on sabbatical. How many years? After how many years? I mean, we have long service leave in Australia, which is 10 years.
Okay. You know, okay, so I'm going between 5 and 7, to be honest, because I feel like I've heard both.